Hey guys, it's Ricky back here with Homework with Ricky. Last episode, y'all saw that I had put some spotlights in the tree, and one of the comments I got from a couple people was about the staining of the fence from the sprinkler system. So today, we're gonna fix that. So sit tight, have a watch, and thanks for coming along. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is kind of go over what tools we need, what materials we're gonna be using, and kind of the supply, safety equipment, all that stuff. All right, so let's go over all that. All right, guys, there we go. There's some of the supplies right there. Also, I need a hat to keep the sun off my head, and let's go check out what we got. All right, first thing we got here is a Wagner Control Stainer 150. So next we have this Ready Seal stain. This color is pecan. This is probably the most consumer friendly stain out there. And it says on the side it's goof proof. Doesn't run, there's no streaks, no overlap. You pretty much just spray it on there and it'll kind of smooth itself out and really do a good job. We got gloves to keep our hands clean, as well as extension cords to run this thing. All right, so I went ahead and turned the sprinkler system off. You know, about a week ago would have been a good time for me to adjust them all, but unfortunately I haven't done it yet. But you want them to not run for a day or so to let this stuff dry. So what we're gonna be doing is kind of fading in, there's Jasmine, kind of fading in the where it's at, and then we're gonna do where the watermarks are, and then we're going to be redoing one nice coat. I will be taking the lights down to do it and putting them right back up. Now, as you can see, this is not a very big container. However, saying the cost jump to the bigger one that has a bigger container, it just doesn't make sense for a standard home. Cool technique for the bucket, how to get it in here pretty easily without really making too big of a mess. Do get pretty greasy. So what you're gonna do is have the spigot on this side, and you're gonna roll it down. Once you get low enough, as you can see it's there. So now you just roll the bucket until it starts filling it up. Let me see if I can change that angle a little bit there so you can see it better. So you just roll the bucket, and then roll it back, it stops. And then bring it back up slowly. That's definitely a lot easier. Always remember to tie your extension cords together so when you're pulling on them, it doesn't unplug them and you end up having to wander back and look for them. As you can see, kind of faded away nicely. There is still some spots, and it's going to happen, but once we do the full coat, after I let this section dry a little bit, it'll all kind of blend in. All right, guys, so that's the first, I don't know, 10 feet or so, which you saw. So that can filled up, that little bucket, paint bucket, held about 10 feet worth. So, for a homeowner, it's perfect size. All right, so I'm gonna flip this thing around and kind of show you how it looks. As you can see, I did leave the lights on. These are waterproof, and then they are glass. So once I was done, I just came with a rag and wiped off the glass in this part of it. So shouldn't have any problems. And if this black cord dies a little bit, it's a positive to me because it'll be more brown and fade in. Back a little bit. All right, as you can see, so this still has some of the fading. This has only had like one light coat across the bottom to kind of balance it out. All right, so cleaning this Wagner control stainer 150 is pretty simple. This stuff's oil based, so you're going to need the odorless mineral spirits. I'll put a link to it in there. I hope you enjoy the video, and here are some final pictures and videos of the fence. Thanks for coming along, and please leave your comments, like the video and subscribe, and let me know if there's any other videos you want me to record. Thank you, and God bless.